Hello everyone, this is Aparna Bhat and welcome to my YouTube channel Abhijna Legal Maps. So far we have seen that there is a drastic change in the criminal laws. So we had old criminal laws as IPC, CRPC, Evidence Act. Now we have to study BNS, that is Bharat Nyaya Samhita, Bharatiya Nagarika Suraksha Samhita and also Bharatiya Sakshi Adhiniyama. Okay. So when this is the case, every judiciary aspirant or every LLB student or every APP exam students, so they will be having a doubt that what should we study. So should we study the old law or should we study the new criminal laws. So this is a common doubt which arises in the mind of each and every judiciary aspirant. So today I want to address that issue regarding what to study and how to study if in case if you have to study new criminal laws. Regarding that portion I will be covering today. See, first of all, whatever situation we are facing, we are in current scenario, it is based on two notifications. You may be belonging to any state, okay, but the status of your examination depends upon two notifications. The first notification is with respect to when the criminal laws are effective, because already the bill had become an act, it had got the presidential assent in 2023 itself. The only one thing which was pending was from when does this come into effect, from when does this become effective, or from which date this will be effective. This was the case, right. So when this is the case, official gazette was supposed to be notified and accordingly even the notifications are out and the notification says that the three criminal laws, that is Bharatiya Nagarika Suraksha Samhita, Bharatiya Nyaya Samhita or Bharatiya Sakshi Adhiniyama are coming into force from July 1st, 2024. So this is the date, that is July 1st, 2024 is the effective date from which these acts come into force. So when those three acts come into force, the old laws, that is IPC, CRPC and Evidence Acts are repealed. They are effective only to those proceedings like present proceedings till July, till June 31st, June 30th, till then whatever proceedings were there, only till then IPC would be effective, but after that the new criminal laws will be effective. Okay. So this is implemented all over India, it will be implemented all over India irrespective of whether you have judiciary exam or not, for everyone, for every citizen, for every person on Indian soil, these laws are applicable. So this position is clear now. Earlier even this was not notified, but recently we have the notification. So we do not have doubt like whether this act will be implemented or not, that doubt is not there. The notifications are out and they will be effective from July 1st, 2024. Then comes the second situation regarding exams. You may be belonging to any state, you may be from Karnataka, Kerala, Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, Tamil Nadu or Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh. So please check your syllabus maybe in 2024. If you have the notification already, if it is notified, you may be having the old law as the syllabus only. Okay. And henceforth, where the states have to notify the judiciary examinations, there we have to wait. We have to wait for the notification and check whether syllabus is included, whether these three new criminal laws have been included in the syllabus or they are not included in the syllabus. Old laws only are there. So this we have to check for that. So this depends upon the exam notification of your state. Okay. Even if, suppose, let us think like this, even if your state says that your notification says that you have to study the old laws only, okay, but how long will this be active, effective? Only maybe for 1 year or 2 years you may have to study old laws, but there is a very urgency in understanding and studying new laws. If three criminal laws are included in the syllabus, then you do not have any option, you ought to study three criminal laws. Okay. So what I suggest is, to those who are awaiting their notification and who have confusions in their mind regarding whether we will be writing the exams, how are we going to study old criminal laws along with new criminal laws, then let us understand them with another scenario. See, first of all, you have to understand, we have to compare both. What I suggest always is, it is always good to study new criminal laws, right? Why? Because old laws anyhow they are going to be not effective. New criminal laws have to be there. You have to study them for your future. Fittest of the survival is the rule. So, everyone is in the same condition. Whoever studies the best, whoever studies it fast, in a fastest manner, in the proper manner, they will know the law, they will understand the law, and they will be ahead of others. They will be guiding other citizens, other clients better than the other fellow lawyers if you have studied this act in a better manner. So, anyhow the certainty of the law coming into force is very certain. Okay. Only thing is, in judiciary examination whether you have to study or not. Even that will be made compulsory maybe in this year or next year. So, that is also for sure. Then we need to prepare from now onwards, like how are we going to study. So, we have two acts. So, what I suggest is, first of all you have to read it comparatively. Take IPC, you need to have a Bare Act, and also take Bharatiya Nyaya Samhita. So, this is the same thing for CRPC, Indian Evidence Act also. So, you have to take a proper Bare Act, where in the Bare Act you will be having different sections of major changes implemented by Bharatiya Nyaya Samhita, comparative chart. So, these Bare Acts will be having like taxman, EBC reader, LexisNexis, okay, professional, all the Bare Acts will almost be having the sections, the comparative tables. So, please choose proper Bare Act while purchasing them, okay, it will be helpful for you in your studies. So, you need to have IPC Bare Act, you need to have a Bharatiya Nyaya Samhita Bare Act, and think what all changes could be there, what major changes could have been included there. First of all, a new section could have been added here in Bharatiya Nyaya Samhita. Which section is not included in IPC? A new section has been added in Bharatiya Nyaya Samhita. A new section which is not which was there in IPC, that is deleted here, which was not here but they have included here, which was there but they have deleted here, or they could have made some change in a particular section, or they could have clubbed two or more sections into one section only. These are the changes. And when it comes to the principles are there, they are one and the same. About 80 to 85% we can see the same sections, same subsection, everything is the same. Section number changes. That is the difficult part here. Rather than if the principle would have been changed completely, and even the order is also same. The order in which IPC sections were there, even they are almost 80% same. Only some chapters they have been made here and there. So, then what is the problem with us, right? We can study, of course we can study, but a small technique, a small study technique has to be changed. How is that? First of all, we have to take a Bharatiya Nyaya Samhita and we have to study according to the chapters or parts, a group of sections like offences against life. Take it as a whole, read the entire chapter, okay, whether be it culpable homicide or murder or whatever it is, or if it is offences relating to property, then theft, snatching, robbery, dacoity. So, see them, read them thoroughly, one chapter at a time, write all the sections, okay. Then see IPC, see the same corresponding provisions of IPC, even the order would be the same, the subsections would be the same, some new sections would have been included, like snatching is not there in IPC, but it is there in Bharatiya Nyaya Samhita. So, that is the change. So, you mark them, that is the important thing, and you can also check with the section of the Bharatiya Nyaya Samhita, where I had told major changes, that section, a new chapter would be given there as an extra study material. So, please check with your answer whether this is the same, whether this is the same thing which I am seeing. So, compare like that, okay. So, when you do like this would be in the most effective manner, will be helpful to you. You will be anyhow learning Bharatiya Nyaya Samhita, the same subsections, the same wordings will be there, about 80%. Some changes whichever is there, mark them, write it down in the bare act, okay, make a pictorial chart of that. So, it is easy to remember then, and even this portion you can clear. Only thing is you may not remember the section. For that you need to have a consistent practice, and consistency must be there while studying. Okay. So, little hard work is required here, but if you do it smartly, then even remembering sections or memorizing sections would not be a difficult task. Remembering the sections should be in a natural manner. So, the more and more you are interested towards the sections, towards the arrangement of the sections, towards the comparison of these two acts, then it is very natural you remember the sections, the order also. Whatever you study, it comes in your memory in a pictorial manner. So, do some charts, prepare some charts and keep, it will be helpful to you. Okay. So, in a very short duration, we will be launching a new course on these three criminal laws, IPC, CRPC and Indian Evidence Act, which have been converted as Bharatiya Nyaya Samhita, Bharatiya Nagarika Suraksha Samhita or Bharatiya Sakshi Adhiniyama. Okay. And we will also be releasing a new study material regarding that. So, this was what I wanted to suggest to you all, that irrespective of any notification your examination, start studying Bharatiya Nyaya Samhita, BNSS and BSA, because it is the future. So, how much ever you are close towards it, you can see your future, glorifying future you can see. Okay. So, this is what I wanted to say through this video, and also I want to make an announcement that we have certain courses here which are mostly in Kannada, but for other state students also we are launching some courses in English very shortly. You can find the book, physical material, that is the Code of Civil Procedure, recently we have released. In future also we will be releasing the 3 criminal laws and also other related subjects regarding judiciary, and you can find this in the app, Abhijna Law Series app, the link which I have given in the description of this YouTube video, and also through Amazon also you can find this book. Okay. If you type Aparna Bhat Code of Civil Procedure, you can find this book, and if you can purchase this book, you will receive this within a period of 7 days. Okay. 450 along with some delivery charges, you will receive the book. So, this is what I wanted to say about our new criminal laws, how to study, and should we study or what? Of course, you need to study, because even if in this notification for this year you are studying the IPC also, but necessarily you must study the new criminal laws. So, start studying now onwards. So, this is what I wanted to suggest. So, if you like this video, do like this, comment and subscribe to this new YouTube channel where we are giving lectures in English, especially for South Indian students, students of Andhra, Kerala, Telangana, Tamil Nadu, Karnataka and also other northeastern students. So, thank you all of you for watching, and also share this YouTube link to your friends or family who are interested in appearing for judiciary examinations. Thank you. Take care. Bye bye. Namaste.